It's January the 22nd, Sunday afternoon. I don't know what these sounds are, but it must be part of the sounds that are going on all over the earth, I guess. So I don't have my shoes on, I go out of here. There's nothing in the sky. They quit. Can't see anything. This is right down there. It's about 10 miles. Is a nuclear plant. That was it, I guess. Oh, there it goes again. That's the Susquehanna River. God, it's getting loud. It's got my dog freaked out. Oh man, that is just too much. That is just too loud. Man, it seems like it's louder over at the nuclear plant. They quit. Oh, God. That's got to be part of the noise that's going on all over the planet. That's it. Wow. 2012, starting off with a bang.